Alright, so this is what's happening on, wait, what's the date?
4/28.
This is what's happening on April 28th. Right now, the sirens are going off. It's very scary right now. The trees are whacking like crazy. And the tornado sirens are going off. And this is a really scary time right now to be standing outside just watching tornadoes go down and people's houses getting wrecked.
You think he's a reporter?
So as we look over here, you can see like the whole sky is black right there. And I don't know if a tornado is happening right there,
Probably close to down.
but it's probably close to downtown. The thing I'm worried about is my grandma's work is in downtown, and it might get overran by this tornado. Oh, it's getting window. And yeah, we were just about to eat dinner like, yeah, it's just a beautiful day outside until the sirens came on. And yeah, it just came on again like 3 times. And like the thing I'm worried about, that there was like 3 giant strokes right in that area right there. Like, and if it went close to one of those lakes, you know, like those lakes over there, and it went into the lake, it could create a water spout. And then like it could overrun our pond, and then it would be really bad. We wouldn't have any water, all the fish and turtles would die. Yeah, it would just be very bad.